Hi, thanks so much for watching. This is Zoe. Now today we're going to talk about when is a good time to buy a new launch unit. Now it is usually when 40 to 60% of the development has already been sold and the price has increased slightly from the launch price. If you recall, developers in Singapore will need to finish constructing the building within 5 years, and after TOP they will need to sell off the units within 2 years. So in order for the developers to not only make profit but as well as to meet this deadline so as not to incur penalty, they would actually release the units at different timings at different prices. So for example, those who have participated in the new launch or in the balloting process and have managed to ballot for a unit will get a favorable price, after which those who didn't manage to get a unit or bought the unit after the launch can still take advantage of a price that's pretty close to the launch price. However, the price will not stay as attractive or as low because the developers still need to make profit. So when will the developer know that it is time to rev up the price? Now it is when 40 to 60% of the development has already been sold. So this is when the developer will majorly stage up the price and the selling prices become more expensive. So if you have bought before the stage up, you would already have profited. Now we see this over and over again in different developments. Okay, so we can see here Kingsford Waterbay and Stars of Kovan. The moment 50% of the development has been sold, the developer majorly staged up the prices. This happens again in Sims Urban Oasis and Gem Residences. When 40 to 60% of the development has already been sold, prices increase. So those who bought before the major stage up has profited. Martin Modern, same thing. About 46% of the units have been sold. Then that is when the developer actually increased the price. So as you can see, the best time to enter is about 40 to 60% of the development has been sold and the price has increased only slightly. So I hope you found this tip useful and I'll see you in the next tip.